If you have a Samsung Smart TV and now you want to connect your Amazon Fire TV stick to it and set it up for the first time, then here's how you properly connect and set up your Amazon Fire TV stick to your Samsung Smart TV within a few minutes. First, we need to connect the TV stick to our Samsung Smart TV's HDMI port. If you have enough space around your Samsung Smart TV's HDMI port, then you can directly plug in the Fire TV stick and you should not have any issues. Otherwise, you can use the included HDMI adapter to make it longer and then plug the HDMI cable into any of the ports. After that, you'll need to grab the USB power cord, then plug it into the micro USB port of your Fire Stick. After that, you can plug the other end into the included power brick or any other smartphone charger. Then you can plug in the charger into a power source. Some of you may also go ahead and plug in the USB interface to your TV's USB port, but your TV's USB port may not supply enough electricity, and in that case you will see this insufficient power error when you try to set up your Fire TV. So it's recommended that you use the power brick. And after we have connected our Fire TV stick, your Samsung Smart TV should automatically detect your Fire TV stick, and then you can add it to the home screen right away. If in your case you can't find the Fire TV, then you can open it by going to Connected Devices and then select your Fire TV or the HDMI input that you have connected it to. Then you'll see the Fire TV logo. Now you'll need to press the play pause button on the remote and we can start the setup process. First, choose your language, and right after that you'll get asked if you want to scan the QR codes to set it up using the Fire TV app or use your remote. We're going to keep it simple and select Setup with Remote. The next step will be connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Choose your Wi-Fi name from the list and then enter the password. After you have connected to the Wi-Fi, your Fire TV will start checking for updates. Most of the times you should have an update that your TV will download, so you'll need to be patient and let it complete all the way. After the software has finished downloading, your Fire TV stick will take a restart, after which the update will be installed. And as it's stated here, do not unplug the power cable of your Fire Stick or your Samsung TV. If it's taking a long time, then you don't need to worry cause it's normal. So just sit tight and let your Fire TV stick do its thing. When it's done, it will say your Fire TV has been updated. And after that, you'll need to log in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an account already, then you can also create a new account right from here. We'll just select Sign In. And now you'll need to scan the QR code using your smartphone or just go to amazon.com/code, after which it will take you to the welcome page. So just enter your email and password. Then if prompted, type in the activation code from your TV screen and then tap connect. Now it will say device connected to your account, and on our TV, we can see it's now successfully registered to our Amazon account. Now just press continue and you can choose if you want to save your Wi-Fi passwords to your Amazon account. Now it will go ahead and check whether you have any Fire TV data in the cloud. For example, we have a Fire TV backup that we can either choose to restore or skip and start afresh. We're going to go ahead and hit restore. Now from the list of available backups, we're going to select our Fire TV. After that, it will restore our apps and data. In the next step, you may get some ads. You can accept the free trial or just hit no thanks. You can also choose some streaming apps from the get-go if you want to install them. Just hit get started, choose your apps that you want to use, and hit continue and finish. Next, we can customize our screensaver. You can either choose to show your photos or select the stock photos that's available. Then hit done. And in the next step, you can customize your parental control settings or PIN. I'll keep the PIN for purchases turned on, and we can leave the rest to never. If you don't wish to enable PIN, then just deselect both these settings and hit continue. After this step, if you had a PIN enabled on your Amazon account, then you'll have to enter this PIN and then your PIN will be enabled. Lastly, you can choose whether you want to subscribe to their newsletter. And finally, as you can see, we're done setting up our Fire TV stick. So we'll press Got It. and it will take us to the profile selection page. So just select your profile, and voila! Now you can start enjoying your Amazon Fire TV stick on your Samsung Smart TV. And whenever you want to switch between your Samsung TV and your Fire TV stick, you can just grab your Samsung Smart TV remote, press the home screen, and as you can see here, you can use both your Fire TV stick and your Samsung Smart TV simultaneously. Last but not least, if you have HDMI-CEC enabled on your Samsung TV, you'll be able to use your Samsung Smart TV remote inside your Fire TV to control it. So this is how simply you can connect and set up your Amazon Fire TV stick to your Samsung Smart TV. If you found this helpful, you can let us know by dropping a like and subscribe to our channel for more.